The Cuisinart Premium Single-Serve Coffee Maker is perfect for making coffee for large groups of people for a couple reasons. First of all, it heats up in less than a minute, and this 72-ounce 2.1-liter reservoir allows you to make 9 8-ounce coffees. Now I'm going to make a really beautiful coffee, a chilled coffee, an iced coffee, using vanilla and caramel. It's a Frappuccino, and it's easy to put together with a few simple ingredients. I'm going to start by making 2 strong cups of 6-ounce coffee. Is there any better way to start out your day than with an ice-cold Frappuccino?